everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 543 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Emani Vegan Cosmetics Flawless Matte Foundation that they sent me in the shade Natural Sand. So I've been trying out a few different Emani Cosmetics products on my channel so far, and I've loved the primer, I've loved the setting powder, but the liquid foundation did not work out well for me. But I had my sister try it out because I'm like, I just don't understand why this is not sitting well on my skin. And my sister liked it and she thought that it looked smooth and nice on her skin. So that just goes to show that foundations will look different on everybody. All different skin types can really affect how a foundation looks. But since the liquid foundation didn't seem to sit well on my skin, I'm really excited to try out this matte version here. This is the same price as the liquid foundation. It retails for $34, but if you use the discount code Christy20, you'll get 20% off of your entire purchase on the Emani.com website. And that'll make this only $27.20. And so this is light to medium coverage. It's mineral based. It's of course vegan, made in the USA, toxin free, recycled, organic, and cruelty free. And what sounds so appealing about this is that it's just supposed to be a one-step 30-second way of getting your flawless skin, and that sounds so nice to me. So let's get into it. So this is the same packaging as the translucent pressed powder that I've been loving. It's got this big mirror and then the pressed powder. Oh, and then it has a little sponge in it, which this is so great for traveling. I bring my translucent powder whenever I go out, and it's so easy to just quickly touch up my skin when it gets shiny, because especially with the heat that we've been having lately and the humidity, my skin has been getting so greasy and I hate the look of that. So the translucent powder has been a savior. So I'm hoping that this formula will be similar to that pressed powder, but just give me some coverage. So let me start out by swatching. It looks like a good match because it's basically disappeared on my hand here, but from what I can tell, it looks like some nice smooth texture, pretty good pigment. All right, and so this time all I did was moisturize my skin after I just cleansed it. So I didn't use any primers because I didn't want the primer to alter the formula of this product. And their instructions say that you can apply it after a moisturizer. So that's what I'm going to try. And I'm going to be applying this with my Kabuki foundation brush. I really like this brush. It's very densely packed but so soft, and it's the Flat Kabuki T01 from the brand Lamora. I got this on Amazon a long time ago, and I've used this brush with so many different products. So let's see how this foundation applies. All right, so I have large pores and redness on my cheeks. So let's see if this product can tone that down. Yes, it absolutely is minimizing the appearance of my pores dramatically. Wow. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. Okay, I'm going to go over it one more time. Wow, this is the third layer I'm putting over my pores, and it basically got rid of them. Like, you can build up that coverage so nicely. Okay, we're off to a really good start. It's covering up that redness really nicely too. This claimed to have light to medium coverage, but I don't know, it's looking pretty covered to me. Wow. This is so easy to apply. So I am just focusing it on one side of my face so that we can compare. Wow. Okay, now that's what I want to see, or therefore I should say what I don't want to see, because there is no texture to my skin. You can't even see there's a layer of product at all. It looks so smooth and so soft and so natural. Wow. Okay, that's awesome. Look at that difference. I just love the matte finish, but still looks so soft and not dried out. It feels so comfortable on my skin. It doesn't even feel like I have a product on. It's so lightweight. I don't typically use powdered foundations because I was kind of under the impression that they just would not look smooth on the skin, that they wouldn't provide coverage, but I was so wrong. This looks smoother than most liquid foundations I've ever used. And it's really easy to apply. It's great coverage. I can't get over how minimized my pores are. And that's without any pore minimizing primers or balms or anything like that. This foundation did it all on its own of getting rid of the large pores along my cheeks and my nose. So this, it's definitely buildable coverage, but once it's all built up, I would still say that it's not full, complete coverage. It's definitely medium coverage, but you could get light coverage if you went in with a very light dusting. But I love this level of coverage. I feel like my skin tone is so much more evened out. It looks so smooth, but someone could literally take a magnifying glass to my face and not be able to tell that I'm wearing makeup. And that is just the dream. That's the goal, for it to look like this is my natural skin, and it does. When they said that this is a one-step 30-second transformation, I was like, that's just marketing. That can't be true. But that is absolutely accurate. I don't need concealer. I don't need primer. I don't need a setting powder. All I need is this powder foundation for perfect skin. And it was so easy to apply. It actually could not have been any easier. I'm trying to think if I had to recommend one Emani product to you, what I would say. And it is really hard because I am absolutely obsessed with this powder, the setting powder, and the primer. All three of those are my new staple products that I am going to use on a daily basis. So let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this foundation and if you love it as much as I do. But also, I would love to know what your favorite Emani Cosmetics products are. I know it's a very tough decision because they are so good. And they're not even paying me to say that. My discount code is not an affiliate code. I don't make money from that. I just love this brand. So I highly recommend it. And I just love a small brand, a vegan brand, a made in the USA, cruelty-free brand. So Emani Cosmetics just checks off all of the boxes. Oh, you know what I just remembered? It's true. So this claimed to not settle into fine lines or crease at all. And I wanted to check my smile lines because I always get creasing there. And there is absolutely no creasing. Wow. So that is so true also. Yeah, I love this. I'm obsessed with this, and you should definitely try it out. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.